Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And syempre po, kung naghahanap kayo ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi po, no? Okay, so si Kuya Dingsi, may refer namin. Oo, kahit magtanong kay Perception, yan din ang, siya din ang inyong, ang aming i-refer, si Kuya Dingsi. Okay? So, message nyo lang po, no, sa amin pong kanya-kanyang FB page. Okay? And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay, so available po siya in black and red strings po, no? So ito yung meron nating initial na evil eye bracelet. Ito naman po yung wala. Okay? So yung wala, this is ang tawag dyan, garterized, and ito naman is adjustable. Okay po. So ito, pwede to sa mga younger o sa mga bata. Okay? Pinaka bata na aming naging client is 8 years old. Yeah, I think 8 or 9 years old. Yan. Yun ang nagawa namin pinakabata. Okay? And yung ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable. Okay? So anyway, ito nga pala, this is unisex po ha, pareho sila. Itong ating evil eye bracelet na garterized. Okay, so ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace. Okay, so lahat po ng evil eye natin is for protection, no? For protection from evil eye. Okay, protection from evil eye, kaya tinawag na evil eye. Okay, so yeah, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and this is may kasamang extender para inyong tawag dyan, para maya adjust nyo yung length po ng chain. Pero kung may chain kayo na inyo, pwede naman yon, ta-transfer nyo lang doon yung pendant. Okay? And syempre po, no, sa ating granter. Yan. Excuse me. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, okay, and acrylic po, no, yung pendant. Okay? Acrylic. So, yung likod is ganun rin. Okay, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long po yung pendant, and this is flat. Flat po yung design. Okay, ganyan po, ha. So, magkaiba sila ni evil eye ring, evil eye necklace. Okay, so, wala siyang extender, walang extender si granter. Pero si granter is unisex. Okay po, unisex si granter, ha. So, kahit anong gender mo, pwede yan sa'yo. Okay? So, made to order po si granter. And syempre, kung meron pang mga tanong, message lang po sa akin pong FB page para sa ibang details. Okay? So, yeah, let's start your reading. Let's start with air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Anong message for air signs? Ooh, the 9 of Pentacles. That is money. Stability. Okay, anong meron? The 9 of Pentacles. The Knight of Swords. So, I think meron paggagamitan ng pera. Okay, may paggagamitan po ng pera. Ano tong 9 of Pentacles? And ang nakukuha ko dito, hindi pang makasarili eh. So, siguro meron kang mga tutulungan or meron kang gagastusin. Excuse me. Pero hindi pang iyo. Okay, hindi lang pang sarili. Oo. Hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports, pa. Alam niyo 'yon? Oo, 'di ba? Okay. So, oo. Wala. Okay. What else? 'Di ba? May paggagamitan ng pera yung iba sa inyo. Hermit in reversed. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Maging prepared, no? Lalo na kung may lakad. Oo. Maging preparado po. Ha? Okay? Yeah. Lalo na kung hindi alam yung pupuntahan. Okay po. Hindi ko alam. I think some of you kailangan ng extra money. Yeah, extra money. Someone wants to reach out. Pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Knight of Wands in reverse. There's a fire sign here na talagang merong bad intention pagdating sa'yo. Air sign. Okay? So, it's not a good intention, o bad nga eh. No? Mayroon ditong something like, I don't know if this is just sex or kung ano man. Okay? Ano tong Knight of Wands in reverse? Be careful with, tawag dyan? One night stand. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Chalices. This is tawag dyan? Happiness. Something like, magbibigay ng happiness. Okay, the King of Wands is here. Be careful with this fire sign. They just want sex pagdating sa inyo. Yeah, the Fool. And then after, goodbye. Parang walang nangyari. Okay? Be careful. Okay. Some of you, kung parang needy na needy ka pagdating sa sa isang relasyon, may chance na magkaroon ka ng karelasyon, pero this is short term. In the near future. Okay? Short term only. Next. Fire signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong meron? For you, fire signs. The Seven of Chalices in reverse. May narinig ako may babalikan. Ano tong Seven of Chalices in reverse? The Page of Swords. Someone is stalking you. Someone loves you. Kung sino tong nag-i-stalk na to, may emotion for you. I think this is a past person's energy. The Seven of Chalices in the reverse. Yeah, the Two of Chalices. May nangyaring fallout or separation sa inyong dalawa. May nag-i-stalk or ini-stalk ka niya. Pwedeng water sign and air sign. What else for fire signs? The Two of Chalices again. So, anong meron ba dyan? Death in reverse. So, I'm seeing here a repeat. Okay, sabi ko nga may magbabalik. Okay, death in reverse. Some of you, kung meron kang pera, may chance na pera ang kailangan nito. Okay? Not relationship. A connection maybe. Okay? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Try to connect, sa isang mother or father figure. Yeah. To connect or to reconnect. Ano tong Queen of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Hierophant. Fire sign, I'm seeing here, Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Pagdating sa health mo, okay, dapat parang ang nakuha ko rito, mas maging focus ka pagdating sa health mo. Okay, kung ikaw hindi ka healthy ngayon, baguhin mo na yung lifestyle mo. Okay, I'm not scaring you. Pero yeah, I'm seeing you lagi kang pa-check up in the near future. Baguhin yung lifestyle, please. Okay? Yeah. King of Pentacles. Baguhin, please. Manage ninyo ng mabuti yung inyong health. No? Okay, mga kinakain. Okay? So, ayaw natin na makikita natin yung sarili natin nandoon sa kwarto. ng ospital. Okay? Ayaw natin yan. So, imbis na yung pera nyo, magagamit nyo sa ibang bagay, baka magamit pa sa kakabayad ng bill sa ospital. Ayaw natin yon. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, there's an earth sign na sinasayang lang yung oras mo. Okay? Some of them, they're unsure kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? So, maybe, some of them, they're just going with the flow kung anong meron. Like, hindi sila parang nagstay put or talagang okay kung anong meron sa amin, dito lang ako. Parang ganon. Hindi eh. Okay? Some of them, hindi sila para mag-settle muna kung anong meron. Kung anong meron, go with the flow. Parang ganyan eh. Earth sign. Yeah. Okay. What's with this Seven of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Seven of Wands. Hindi nito hahayaan yung sarili niya na parang nakastuck or parang makokontrol. Kahit ano pwedeng gawin nito. Like, ayoko ng limit, ayoko ng boundaries. Parang ganon. What else? Two of Wands in reversed. May uuwi. Fire sign. What's with the Two of Wands in reverse? Temperance. Meron ditong atat na atat ng umuwi. May mapapaagang uwi. Okay, may mapapaagang uwi dahil hindi ko alam, pwedeng na-excite na or nalulungkot or whatsoever. Someone from malayo. Okay, yeah, the Tower. Unexpected. Okay, may uuwi bigla. I don't know, baka hindi nakakayang homesick. Ano? Parang ganyan. See, the Page of Chalices, the Five of Wands. Yeah. Or kung di man, may issue lang yung nangyayari doon sa taong yun, kaya may chance na may uuwi. Or uuwi siya. Okay? Avoid arguments. Yeah, avoid arguments. What else? Death. Something will come to an end. What's that? Death. Hierophant in reverse. So, kung meron ditong parang may mga gumagawa ng di tama sa connection, matatapos rin eh. Okay? What's with the Hierophant in reverse? Ano tong Hierophant in reverse na to? May magbabago actually. Yeah, the Tower. Some of you, if there's third party, nandyan yung pag-avoid. Okay? Yeah. The Star in reverse. Kasi pwedeng, excuse me, alam sa sarili na hindi naman nakakatulong rin naman. No, hindi rin naman nakakatulong. Okay, mayroon ika-cut off. Pwedeng Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, ang daming water signs. So, pwedeng ikaw yung may i-cut off. Or meron kang sabihin nating babaguhin pagdating sa sarili mo. Okay? Meron kang mga ika-cut off, maybe people, situation, mga ganyan, na nagbibigay sa inyo ng parang delays. Okay? So, there. Some of you, may mga friend talaga na hindi naman talaga totoo. Okay? Hindi nagiging totoo sa inyo. So, next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Anong meron para sa mga Earth signs? Let's see. The Knight of Swords. There's a fast communication coming in. Okay, with the past person. Okay. Yes. Komunikasyon, oo. Pwedeng may mangyaring reconnection with a past person. Pwedeng water sign, air sign. Ooh, the Three of Pentacles. Ooh. Merong mag-fix ng situation. Yes, something. Someone from the past wanted to reach out, maybe gagawa ng action, like fast moving action. I don't know kung ano. Okay? So, yun nga. First is communication. Okay. Yeah, there's a person wanting talaga na bumalik. The Two of Wands in reverse. Meron talagang gumugustong bumalik dito. Okay? What's with the Two of Wands in reverse? Ten of Chalices. Ayaw nyo ng ganitong reading. Oo. Pero, yeah, wala tayong magagawa. Okay. Ten of Chalices. Some of you, there's a water sign na pwedeng makatuluyan mo. Yeah. See, the Two of Chalices. There's an offer. Okay. Pwedeng kung may bumalik man, yung pagbabalik na to is may mangyayaring like judgment in reverse, may matatapos na cycle kasi meron nang mag-set up, like mag-step up. Okay, meron ng parang gagawa na talaga ng siguro magiging seryoso, parang ganyan. Okay, meron ditong mga aalis kasama ang family. What else? Friends, yan. Family, friends, yan. Okay? King of Chalices. What's that? Ay, talagang love to. Wala tayong magagawa, earth signs. Wala tayong Okay. Six of Wands. Okay, so may pentacles sa ilalim, ha? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. So, actually, pagdating sa pamemera, in general, sabihin natin may mga mababago, may mga mafi-fix na issue. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. May mga mafi-fix, may mga masusolusyonan, parang ganyan. So, dito tayo sa King of Chalices and the Six of Wands. Someone in the near future talaga, magkakaroon na ng someone. Magkakaroon na ng something like makukuha mo na, makikita mo na yung person mo. Okay? Like, your person. Oo, parang ganyan. Okay? So, there's victory here. There's success here. Okay? And that's nice. Nakita pa natin to. This is, sabihin nating, energy ng loyalty, energy ng marriage for some of you, legalizations. Okay? Wow. Avoid ninyo, no, yung parang pagiging low vibe pagdating sa emosyon or pagdating sa love. Oh, 'di ba? Nagpakita ang Ten of Pentacles. May gastos yung iba, actually. Ten of Pentacles na nakabaliktad. Okay. Anyway, so there, yun lamang ang ating reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.